This is just dryness. And it's the easy fix. My client, Miss Peggy here, we're going to show seniors with disabilities or seniors that cannot bend down and put lotion on their feet. We're going to show them how to put lotion on their feet without having to bend down. Are you ready, Miss Peggy? Okay. So we're going to put a little bit of oil on top of your foot like we did before. This is our massage oil. Now, how did I tell you how to do it? So you take, right? So you're putting a little bit of oil on top, and at the same time, the bottom of your feet is also getting oil. That helps for that dryness. All right? So now we're going to do it with the other foot too. So you put a little oil, rub it on the top with the other foot. And while you're doing that, the bottom of the foot gets oiled as well. So that's how you're able to moisturize your feet without having to bend down.
Yeah.
All right. And then after that, you want to put socks on because you don't want to walk and fall, right?
Yeah.
So put your socks on once you're done with that, or get someone to help you do that. Okay. So that's a convenient way to oil your feet without, bending down. Okay.
Can we put those back on?
Yes, I'll put your socks back on.